just a little bit of a snackaroo. I have not been enjoying eating my collection of cans. So I've been doing skyr. It's like a Greek yogurt, but it's got very high protein and low fat, low carbs. So it's a pretty good option for a snack. And here is how I proteinify it more. I really like the skyr. I like the taste of it. It's got more of a sour taste to it, and it's much firmer, kind of like a sour cream almost. And so parlaying that into another sort of ingredient swap you can do if you want to have like taco night. Instead of sour cream, I recommend just doing a plain Greek yogurt, way less fat and more of a protein boost. So I will do the yogurt and some protein. This one is chips ahoy. Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna do like half a scoop. Oops. Half a scoop right in here. Blah. You can make like a pudding. I like the plain yogurt, but I need more protein in it. And then I have to hide my peanut butter from myself. So I put it up high so that I don't mindlessly eat it. And that if I feel that I have to get the chair out to get it, I probably don't need it. So we keep it up high. Bam. Are you team crunchy peanut butter or smooth peanut butter? Comment below. I'm team smooth. Oh. What are you doing? There's nothing for you. There's nothing for you. What is it? What is it? What do you smell? You want to lick the spoon? There you go. Good little boy. Fourth meal of the day, I think. All it is some vegetables on the pan. They're frozen, so I throw them in on low and I just kind of let them cook. And then got a bucket of rice. And the last of my turkey, which isn't enough, but I'll cook more. You don't get that. I'm gonna reuse it. No, 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 no. This is the magical ingredient. Sea salt. I've got a lot. Current meal, beef for the weekend. Boyfriend's making ramen noodles. And my favorite bowl to eat this out of. Love it. Fresh new bag. think that's fair. Even though he fucked up using the Spotify. Yeah, you should probably see. Maybe ask your wife to do this for you. That's some ground beef here that I overcooked. Post-workout, I'm just gonna chef up some egg whites, half a cup of rice, and some pineapple. And then I add a whole bunch of chili flakes to it, and it's kind of got like a Asian thing, Thai thing with it. But yep, gonna have that. And my supervisor. And then we're gonna get to work because I have to do online work today. Rather than first thing in the morning lately. I think that's just laziness, but we've got our moringa and our chlorella. Collagen. Okay, so finished cooking, and here we have it. Also, like half a cup of blueberries. I got my green shake, water, and I'm just going to show you a few of the supplements that I'm currently taking when I remember. Always with my fish oils, berberine, so just for carb metabolism, vitamin D, because I live in Canada, Tudka, always for your liver, and for heart, we've got the CoQ10. So I've been pretty good about taking these every day. I don't have really any specific brands. Obviously, I'm trying to stay Canadian as much as possible. Finishing up these ones because they're an American company, although a very good company. Trying to do my best. The Can Prev is Canadian, obviously. So this brand, which I highly recommend for your like daily essentials. I'm almost out of that. And fish oils you can get whether it be liquid or pill form, but making sure you're at least getting 1,500 to 2,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA. That's kind of what you're looking for. And anyway, I know this is kind of a jumbled video. However, that's kind of how I'm doing it right now. I'm just kind of going off the cuff, whatever I want and whatever you guys kind of poke and prod me in any one direction, but that's how it's going to be. I will start to upload more of my other educational reaction videos on my other channel, also linked below and up at the top, whichever. But yeah, thanks so much again for following along. This has been these are like my typical meals, what I'm consuming right now. Still in an off season, sitting at about 179 pounds roughly right now. Pretty happy with the progress I've been making. Coach is happy. So we're just going to try to stay on this trajectory into the season. So I'm aiming for probably September shows. Nothing really much earlier than that. There isn't much, as well as I still need to pick strategically if I want to make it back to the Olympia. Still looking for that #1 spot at shows. I want to get back on the Osage. So that is my goal for the next many years of just hammering down before I feel like I'm too old and I don't want to do it anymore. So I'm still in it. I'm still raring to go, making my gains. I'm also still very much involved in coaching other people, lifestyle clients, competitors, strength and conditioning, things like that. Fat loss, transformations, all of it. It's my favorite thing to do ever. So I appreciate you guys following along. Please, if there's ever anything you want to see on my channel, I know recovery has been mentioned before. I will definitely be talking more about that, either on this channel, what I'm doing, and then the benefits on the other channel. But please keep following along. Still trying to get more and more views, and I'll keep putting out my videos as best I know how. So it's all me, no help. So thanks so much, hungry homies. See you in the next one.